We are off to Kendal this morning to sell some cows. We are just feeding up now and then we're getting loaded and we're going to leave. It's about 45 minutes to an hour away from us, but it's nice and early, so there shouldn't be any traffic. So yeah, we're going to get loaded now and get off. So we're all loaded, we're just leaving now. Sorry, I'm so out of breath. We're just leaving now, south to the auction. See you there. Today's sale at Kendal is the fortnightly sale of cattle. First up we'll sell the stirks and the suckler calves, and then it will be followed by store cattle, and then cast cattle, then the rearing calves. Sam's just washing out. We've just unloaded them and they've just gone into the pens now. They look really well, so hopefully they'll do well. But yeah, we just got to wait and see now. It starts at 10, so we've got like an hour-ish till they start selling, so we'll go and get some breakfast and then sell them. So I've just got home and yeah, we had a really good trade on the cows. I think it was 14.60 that it made in the end, so it was a really good trade, and we've managed to pick up some calves. So we're just making a brew, and then we're going to go out and unload the calves, get them settled for tonight. Yeah. Right, we're going to move these ones to the shed next door, so we've got to get them in the trailer and then drive them next door. Right, that's those in. What's doing here? Sam's just bringing those weaned calves around now. Here. And we've just mucked out this bed for them, so we've got a nice big pen now to go in, so yeah, should be alright for them. We're all doing zoomies now, we're all excited. Aren't you? Are you excited? That's better, isn't it? No. Got them all in the pens now. There's 2 in there, some in there, and they should be all settled now until we give them the milk later.